Hashtags are so frustrating. How and do they even work? Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant. I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, it's because you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before I get into today's video topic, which is all about hashtags, what are they, do they even work, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So let's talk about today's video topic, which is about hashtags. What are they and do they even work? So hashtags are words that have a pound sign in front of it, so hashtag or pound, and it'll help people find material that also use that hashtag. So for example, if you're on Instagram and you want to learn about digital marketing, you could search hashtag learn digital marketing, and then boom, you will see posts that include that hashtag. Now, each social media platform has its own little nuance when it comes to hashtags. For example, TikTok hashtags are going to be very different than Instagram hashtags, than LinkedIn and Twitter, and the list goes on and on and on. So should you be using hashtags? The answer is yes, you should. The question is, what kind of hashtag strategy should you be using? And that really boils down to your content, who you're trying to target. So I'm going to put in a buyer persona video up here, who you're trying to target, what you're trying to teach them, what your objectives are, and things of that nature. So if you are on the fence on whether or not you should be using hashtags, the answer is yes, you should. You should also be using different hashtags per a social media platform because, like I mentioned a little bit ago, hashtags that work well on TikTok are not going to work well on Instagram and usually don't work well on LinkedIn and Twitter, and the list goes on. So what I recommend people to do is to spend 45 minutes to an hour at least once a month and go through hashtags on each platform, so Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn, and figure out which hashtags are going to be good for them, and then keep notes of them, use those hashtags for about 30 days, and then evaluate and see if you see a increase in performance or an increase in views to your profile, increase in followers, and things of that nature, and then make adjustments from there. I hope you found this video helpful, and right about now there should be more videos popping up the screen that might be good for you and that you might like. I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.